The Samsung Galaxy S25 is just around the corner, and anticipation is building for its official release on January 22nd, 2024. As fans eagerly await the launch, details about the new device are beginning to surface, and it looks like Samsung is bringing some exciting options to the table. From stunning colors to impressive storage capacities, there's a lot to look forward to with the Galaxy S25 series. But before we dive into the specifics, make sure to join our membership for exclusive updates and content. Check the link in the description below. Let's start with the colors available for the Galaxy S25 models. The base Galaxy S25 and the S25 Plus will come in 4 beautiful color options: Silver Shadow, Navy, Mint, and Ice Blue. Each of these colors has its own unique appeal, but for those hoping for a classic black design, there's a bit of disappointment. Sadly, Samsung is skipping the black color for these models, which might leave fans of darker tones with a tough choice. For those who prefer darker shades, you can opt for Silver Shadow or Navy, depending on which one looks richer to you. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, however, will offer some truly striking color choices. The Ultra model will be available in 4 colors: Titanium White Silver, Titanium Silver Blue, Titanium Gray, and Titanium Black. Of these, Titanium Black is likely to be a crowd pleaser. I can already imagine how sleek and elegant the S25 Ultra will look in this dark shade, perfect for those who prefer a more refined, professional aesthetic. In terms of storage, Samsung has equipped each model with a range of options to suit different needs. The base Galaxy S25 will come in 2 configurations: 128GB and 256GB of internal storage. The S25 Plus offers slightly more space, with options of 256GB and 512GB. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will push the limits of storage, with available options of 256GB, 512GB, and an incredible 1TB. Moving on to the performance of these devices, we've seen reports that all models in the S25 lineup will feature Snapdragon processors, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. For those who demand the best of the best, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, offering cutting-edge performance for everything from gaming to multitasking. It's clear that Samsung is gearing up to provide a truly premium experience with the S25 Ultra, offering speed and efficiency that rivals the competition. Now, as far as the RAM is concerned, the base Galaxy S25 will feature 12GB of RAM, while the S25 Plus and Ultra will come with 16GB. This increase in RAM in the higher-end models will likely mean better multitasking and smoother performance under heavy usage, making these phones ideal for power users and gamers alike. But here's where it gets interesting. Samsung is reportedly moving away from the sharp edges that the Galaxy S series is known for. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to be returning to rounded edges, which might be a welcome change for some users who prefer a softer look and feel. This design shift could be a nod to those who appreciate a more ergonomic and comfortable grip on their device, as the sharp edges of past models were often criticized for being a bit too angular. For those like me who are drawn to darker colored phones, it's a bit of a letdown that the base S25 and S25 Plus won't feature a true black option. However, the titanium black on the Ultra is sure to make up for it. And while the ice blue option could look stunning, it seems like a color that might attract a more niche audience. Much like the ultramarine color on the iPhone 16, ice blue has the potential to look incredibly striking under the right lighting conditions, offering a fresh and modern touch to the design. With all these exciting features and choices, it's clear that the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be a powerhouse in 2024. But let's not forget the elephant in the room: price. As expected, the Galaxy S25 will come with a premium price tag. There are reports suggesting that we can expect price hikes in Korea and the US, though European prices might remain unchanged in some countries. Still, with all the high-end features on offer, it's hard not to feel that the Galaxy S25 is inching closer to an unreasonably high price point, especially considering how competitive the smartphone market is becoming. If you're interested in staying ahead of the game and learning more about the upcoming release, be sure to join our membership for exclusive updates. Just click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. AI-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.